Leaky toilets can cause damage, waste water, and above all, cost you money. Fluidmaster offers you toilet repair solutions that are installed in more toilets than all other brands combined. When you're installing or repairing a toilet, the Fluidmaster Click Seal toilet connector makes it easy to connect your water line. The Click Seal nut actually clicks and stops tightening, telling you the connector has achieved a good seal. This prevents over-tightening and cracking of the connector nut and fill valve shank. The stainless steel braiding of the connector gives you maximum protection against bursting. The Click Seal toilet connectors also offer you exceptional flexibility for fast, easy installation. They won't kink or crease, even in the tightest of spaces, and the heavy-duty connection nuts are easy to grip. Now, if you just need to replace your toilet's fill valve, the Fluidmaster Leak Sentry fill valve is the right choice. This product combines all the great features of the Fluidmaster 400A, the best-selling fill valve in the world, with the added protection of the Leak Sentry device. The Leak Sentry fill valve replaces the typical ball cock found in older toilets. It refills the toilet quickly. It features an anti-siphon design and will not contaminate your drinking water. Plus, the valve meets all plumbing codes and is made of corrosion-resistant materials for reliable, long-term use. A leaking toilet can waste hundreds of gallons of water every day. The Leak Sentry fill valve prevents endless refills of a leaky tank, saving you money. At the most, only one tank of water can leak from a tank equipped with a Leak Sentry fill valve. When there's a leak in the tank around the flapper and the tank is emptied, the float cup will not drop to refill the tank until the tank lever is pushed. On the first attempt, the valve will simply refill the empty tank. Only then will you receive a complete flush. This will continue to occur until the tank leak is fixed. Another feature you'll appreciate is the water refill adjuster. This device allows the right amount of water to be delivered to the bowl. If the water level is too high, the bowl wastes water down the drain. If the level is too low, an improper flush may occur, or sewer gases may leak into your bathroom. The water refill adjuster lets you easily regulate the fill level. If your toilet tank components are completely worn out, restore and improve your toilet's performance with the Fluidmaster Universal Repair Kit. This kit includes the Fluidmaster 400A fill valve, a chrome tank lever, 2-inch flush valve with a Just-A-Flush flapper, and the hardware you need to easily replace all the components inside your toilet tank. The kit can be used on 2 or 3 bolt toilet tanks. To install the kit, first turn off the water line. Flush the toilet to remove most of the water from the tank, then sponge out any remaining water. Disconnect the water line and remove the old fill valve and the tank lever, which is reverse threaded. Unbolt the tank from the bowl, then lift off the tank and remove the old nuts, bolts, and gasket. Also remove the old flush valve, including the flapper. Now add the shank washer to the bottom of the new fill valve with the flat surface against the valve, and position the valve inside the tank. The fill valve's handy easy twist height adjustment control lets you twist the threaded shank in or out to quickly set the valve height from 9 inches to 14 inches. The valve fits most tanks, including 1.6-gallon models. When adjusting the fill valve height, be sure to hold the bottom shank with one hand and hold the top of the fill valve with the other hand. Now, pushing down on the valve shank, hand tighten the lock nut. Make sure the float cup on the valve doesn't touch anything inside the tank so it'll move freely during use. Next, install the new flush valve and hand tighten the lock nut. Don't over-tighten it or you could crack the tank. Slide the new rubber gasket, with the narrow side down, into the threaded end of the Fluidmaster flush valve. When installed, the top of the overflow pipe on your new flush valve should be at least 1 inch below the hole in the tank where the flush level is mounted. The flush valve stops leaks at the tank drain by securely sealing the tank after each flush. The Just-A-Flush flapper can be set to control the water volume for a custom flush, saving you water and money. Now, install the new tank bolts using the rubber washers and wing nuts, tightening them very evenly. Next, reconnect the water line to the bottom of the fill valve. Then, connect one end of the black refill tube to the refill clip and the other end to the nipple located near the top of the valve. Finally, attach the refill clip to the overflow pipe on the flush valve. The SureFit chrome tank lever trims and bends to fit most front, side, and angle-mounted tanks, so you won't need to pre-measure the lever. It's easy to install, and the self-tightening lock nut won't loosen over time. Connect the flapper chain to the hole in the tank lever arm that provides the best fit. There should be some slack in the chain when the flapper is closed. Now it's time to turn on the water supply. Adjust the water to the desired level by twisting the water level adjustment rod and moving the float cup up or down along the clip. Finally, check for leaks, give the toilet a test flush, and you're done. Each of these innovative products is backed by a 5-year warranty from Fluidmaster, the leader in toilet repair technology. To learn more about Fluidmaster products, visit fluidmaster.com or ask one of our employees.